What if I told you that the loudest thing at SHOT Show 2026 wasn't a muzzle blast, but the sound of pure, compressed innovation? We aren't talking about backyard toys here. We're looking at a new breed of silent predators, mechanical marvels that hit like a freight train without ever needing a grain of gunpowder. From entry-level tack drivers to big bore monsters capable of dropping a bison, the airgun world just evolved. Today, we're breaking down the 15 absolute beasts that stole the show. If you're ready to see what 4,000 PSI of raw power looks like, hit that like button and subscribe to Trek Gear for the ultimate breakdown. Gamo Riser Punisher PCP Air Rifle. Gamo's Riser Punisher is the ultimate gateway into serious PCP shooting without the technical headache. Clad in a refined wood stock, this beast features a lightning-fast straight pull bolt and a 10x quick-shot magazine that keeps your follow-ups immediate. With a polymer-shrouded barrel and whisper-quiet suppression, it's perfect for backyard training or stealthy pest control. It's a pragmatic, rugged tool built for shooters who want to stack lead, not spend hours tinkering. Simple, effective, and ready to dominate the range. FX Leopard Sniper PCP Air Rifle. The FX Leopard Sniper is a Bullpup masterpiece designed for those who demand surgical precision. Its innovative over-the-barrel air system boosts rigidity, making it a dream for long-range slug shooting. Boasting a massive 890 cubic centimeters air capacity in the bottle version, it offers an incredible shot count for high-caliber hunts. With a fully adjustable match-grade trigger and the legendary quick tune system, this carbon fiber-clad predator lets you dial in perfection. It's not just an airgun, it's a high-performance racing machine for the field. Umarex Complete NCR. The Umarex Complete NCR is a revolutionary nitro air beast that finally cuts the cord on heavy pumps and tanks. Using disposable nitrogen cartridges, it delivers over 45 consistent shots at a blistering 1,000 feet per second. Nitrogen remains stable in all temperatures, giving you incredible shot-to-shot consistency without CO2's cooldown issues. Featuring a side lever action and integrated silence air suppressor, it's the most convenient way to enter the PCP world. At under $200, this is pure, hassle-free power delivered right to your doorstep. Umarex Primal 20. The Umarex Primal 20 isn't just an airgun, it's a 20-gauge slug-throwing monster. This big-bore PCP breaks the mold by firing massive slugs or shot shells with enough kinetic energy to take down whitetail deer ethically. Featuring a 2-shot linear magazine and a smooth side lever action, it brings shotgun-style power to the silent world of air. With its built-in air gauge and easy-fill reservoir, it's a rugged, reliable choice for hunters who want to ditch the gunpowder while keeping the stopping power. Daystate Blackwolf. Daystate's Blackwolf is the pinnacle of tactical elegance, blending a carbon fiber bottle with a precision-engineered Italian stock. Known for its world-class electronics, this rifle provides digital consistency that mechanical valves simply can't match. Every shot is regulated to the microjoule, ensuring laser-like accuracy at extreme distances. It's incredibly quiet, remarkably balanced, and features a magazine system that's as smooth as silk. For the shooter who demands the absolute best in high-tech airgun luxury and field performance, the Blackwolf stands alone. FX King GRS Air Rifle. The FX King GRS marries the legendary Panthera plenum technology with a traditional ergonomic GRS laminate stock. This is a bench rest shooter's dream, offering a side lever action that's buttery smooth and a high-capacity air bottle for all-day sessions. Built around the dynamic block system, it delivers massive airflow for heavy slugs, making it a king of long-range competition. With an adjustable cheek piece and recoil pad, it fits like a glove, providing the stability needed for those sub-MOA groups at 100 yards and beyond. FX Panthera Hunter Compact. The Panthera Hunter Compact is a pocket-sized powerhouse designed for the mobile hunter. Don't let the size fool you. It utilizes the same high-pressure plenum as its competition siblings to hurl slugs with surprising velocity. It's incredibly short and balanced, making it the perfect tool for navigating thick brush or shooting from tight blinds. With a foldable stock and a carbon fiber bottle, it's a lightweight, modular predator that fits in a backpack but hits like a full-sized rifle. Pure tactical efficiency. Umarex Gauntlet 2SL.30. The Gauntlet 2SL.30 caliber is the working man's big bore beast. Now featuring a side lever action for faster, effortless cycling, this rifle delivers massive impact for medium game hunting. Its high-capacity air tank and regulated output mean you get dozens of consistent, hard-hitting shots per fill, a rarity in .30 caliber. The oversized shroud keeps the report low, while the adjustable cheek rest ensures a perfect sight picture. It's a rugged, high-volume powerhouse that offers incredible performance without the premium price tag. Umarex Zelos. The Umarex Zelos is a tactical bullpup built for high-speed versatility. This PCP features a modular rail system, allowing you to load up on lights, lasers, and bipods for a true mission-ready setup. Its side lever is reversible, catering to both left and right-handed shooters, and the regulated air system ensures every pellet flies with identical force. Compact enough for urban pest control, yet powerful enough for the field, the Zelos is a sharpshooting chameleon that handles beautifully in high-pressure scenarios. Benjamin Marauder. The Benjamin Marauder is a legendary staple for a reason. It's the silent workhorse of the airgun world. Known for its world-class choked barrel and incredible shroud system, it's often quieter than a pellet hitting the target. This PCP rifle features a crisp, adjustable two-stage match trigger that makes stacking shots at 50 yards feel like cheating. Whether you choose the classic wood or tactical synthetic stock, it remains the gold standard for backyard hobbyists and small game hunters who value stealth and reliability. AirArms S510 Ultimate Sporter. The AirArms S510 Ultimate Sporter is where British craftsmanship meets surgical precision. This isn't just a rifle, it's a piece of functional art. With a beautiful laminate stock and a fully adjustable cheek piece, it offers a custom-fit feel right out of the box. The side lever action is arguably the smoothest in the industry, paired with a Lothar Walther barrel that delivers laser-like accuracy. It's a high-end, regulated predator designed for the serious enthusiast who wants a perfect blend of aesthetics and performance. Brocock Sniper XR Highlight. The Brocock Sniper XR Highlight is a lean, mean carbon fiber machine. By utilizing a high-tech Huma air regulator, this rifle provides unparalleled shot-to-shot consistency, ensuring your last shot is just as accurate as your first. The Highlight designation means it sports a lightweight carbon bottle, making it easy to carry through the woods all day. With its side lever cocking system and multiple power settings, it's a versatile tool capable of everything from precision target work to long-range pest management in a compact, rugged package. Umarex Notos CRK. The Notos CRK is a compact carbine that punches way above its weight class. This nimble PCP features a side lever action and a removable stock, allowing it to transition from a backpack-sized pistol to a steady rifle in seconds. Despite its small footprint, it delivers enough punch for ethical pest control and precision plinking. With an integrated suppressor and a 7-shot magazine, it's the ultimate grab-and-go tool for hikers or gardeners who need silent, effective power without the bulk of a full-sized rig. Venturi Avenge X. The Avenge X is the ultimate modular playground for airgun enthusiasts. Built on a one-platform philosophy, you can swap stocks, air reservoirs, and even calibers to suit your mission. Whether you want a lightweight, tube-fed carbine or a high-capacity, bottle-fed sniper, the Avenge X adapts. It features an externally adjustable regulator and hammer spring, giving you total control over your tune. It's a high-performance, customizable beast that grows with you, offering professional-grade features at a price that leaves plenty of room for lead. Umarex Glock 19 Gen 3. For those who want the ultimate tactical trainer, the Umarex Glock 19 Gen 3 is the gold standard. This CO2-powered replica is officially licensed, meaning every dimension and marking matches the real firearm. It delivers a satisfying snap with every shot. Perfect for building muscle memory and holster drills at a fraction of the cost of live ammo. It's the perfect gateway tool for home defense practice or backyard plinking, proving you don't need a range membership, keep your skills sharp, and your aim true. From nitrogen-powered newcomers to big-bore monsters that rival centerfire rifles, SHOT Show 2026 has proven one thing. The era of air is here to stay. Which of these air-powered heavy hitters are you adding to your arsenal first? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your picks. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Trek Gear for more deep dives into the gear that keeps you ahead of the curve. Until next time, stay sharp and stay silent.